Today, I'm diving into a tool that's quickly become a major part of my content creation workflow, Opus Clip. If you've ever made a 10 or 15 or 20-minute YouTube video and thought, I wish there was a quick and easy way to turn this masterpiece into a short, punchy, TikTok-worthy video. Or maybe you just want to cut up a long-form video that has performed really well on another platform, and you want to create a bunch of short teaser clips that can link back to the original longer video, ultimately driving more traffic to that already performing video. Opus Clip might just be exactly what you're looking for. I'm going to show you exactly how I use Opus Clip to turn my long-form videos into scroll-stopping teaser clips with captions and B-roll. So let's start with the basics. Opus Clip is an AI-powered video clipping tool. You upload your long-form video, or what I do is just drop a YouTube link, and it automatically splices together short-form vertical videos optimized for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, basically all the places your audience lives when they're not spending time doing what they should be doing, watching your long-form videos.